So, I want to do the singing.
Oh, let's do the karaoke style today.
Okay, let's do that one up right now.
Oh, wait, not this one.
Oh, man, why not, man?
It's this one right here.
Okay.
Hey, Uncle Tim, do you feel the music? I
Feel it. I feel it
all
over.
over. That's the good one. People, are you the ready? Don't get the mad, okay? It's just a joke. It's the April Fool's every day. Just kidding, babies. Don't take it to the high. Just kidding, babies. Don't take it to the high.
Okay,
Just kidding, babies. Don't take it to
Excuse me? You do the interrupting. What is the
I
message?
have a question. Who the hell is this one right here?
That's my cousin.
I have a question, guys. Listen. I went to the club and I was trying to get some guys to buy me a drink. How do you do that?
Oh my God.
Let me do the pause this one and let me do the teaching you the style, okay? The rule number 1, if you want the guy to buy you the drinks,
Never go to the bar and put your arm on the bar like this one.
don't do the posing like this, okay?
You never gotta get a drink.
No, because you know what? The guy's gonna be like, oh, that bitch is a shank one.
That's right.
That's right.
So never do that one. You guys, don't do that one.
That's not the good one.
You never gotta get a drink like that one.
That's right. You can be the sober bitch all night.
Yes.
Rule number 2. You have to look like the stuck-up ones. Okay? So
Make
the
the
guy,
guys think that, oh, she the hardcore.
they like the hard to get one, you know?
That's right.
That's right. So you have to stand right here and then look at them at the corner of your eye like this. And then do the electric shock. Do you see?
You see, you have to do it correctly.
That's right. You have
If
to
you don't
the
do the
electric
corner,
shock, and then his eye will go like this. And he would do the seeing you. And then he would be like, do you want to do the drinking, girl?
ooh, thank you.
Do you see? That's the easy rule number 1. But if you want to be the so fuck up bitch, this is the rule number 3. You do that to the guy number 1, and then you be like, oh, I like your friend. He is the cute one. Bring him over here and do the introduce to me. And then he bring his friend, and then now his friend do the flirting with you, and now you have the 2 drink in your hand. Okay? So now you do the so drunks, and then you go over to the other side of the bar and you do the same thing.
And then you be the drunk bitch.
Wow.
So whenever you go to the
All
club,
night
you
long.
never ever have to bring the money because
That's right.
everybody gonna want to buy you the drink.
Don't forget the electric shock. That's
Yeah.
the trick.
Make sure when you look at them, look at the corner so that
At
the
the corner,
electric,
like this one,
like
right
this one,
here.
you know,
That,
this
like
one,
that.
so that they will see the electric shock.
That's
But
right.
if you look straight into the eye, they will be like, "What the hell you looking at, man? Mother is." So
Like, who the hell is this mother bitch?
that's
you know?
right. So never look straight in the eye. Do the corner.
Do you understand the style now?
Yes, people.
How to do the getting the drink?
That's right.
You see? So if you guys want to do the drunk one at the club, you guys have to follow these rules.
Yes.
And then you will be like this bitch right here.
That's
do the
right.
drunk one all night long.
Okay.
Get all the mother bitch in the club.
So good luck to your people
That's
out there
right.
that try to get a drink. Okay.
Thank you for watching the videos.
Thank you.
See you. Bye. Peace, mother bitch.